I'm going on the road, get us some food. When we come back, we'll pack, and we'll make a move. Alright?
Alright, Carlton. Yeti. Bubbles. I'ma leave. Your 1 minute start now. Alright, good. Me go radio silence as of now.
This must be a glitch. Go get my food.
Carlton? Bubbles? Hi, sweetie. How are you, dear? I come for talk to you. You sure I come for talk? Yes, sweetie. Sure I talk, I come for talk. Alright, come in. So what this for? Mom used to say you clean before we consider the conversation here. You're more comfortable now? So what is this? You come for rescue the agent? Or you come for switch family? You know the code. We not leave no agent behind. We also know say rogue agents are eliminated. Are you a rogue agent? Cause of the first me I know that. Come on, Bubbles, don't play stupid. Isn't it because I decide for run off with Carlton when you come after me? Or is it because you helped Carlton to get the paperwork on Tony Xpressionz's daughter? Bubbles, that is not enough for an agent to come after me and try to assassinate me. I know you should come after. Really? Celine, Carlton tell you what happened between him and Tony Xpressionz? Yeah, he did. And him also tell me say she could be working for you guys. You guys? You realize you're a part of the agency too, right? And you believe that shit? So how else shall I get her resources? And who is funding this assassination? Celine, you're not targeted for assassination. Carlton is. Carlton took out her cousin. Now she's after him. You don't need to be in the way. Yeah, confuse me. First you say she after me because me give Carlton the paper for find Tony daughter. And now you say she after Carlton because Carlton take out Tony. Who she really after?
Miranda went to Carlton's office. Me and her have a run-in. And she tell me, a Carlton she want. But as long as you are in the way, you go get it. That is why I'm here, to get you out of it.
Wow. So you and Miranda have a conversation and she tell you who she after or who gonna get it. And you expect me to believe so and I work together?
You hear yourself? Are you being intentionally difficult?
No, I'm being practical. Bubbles, I know it work. Once an agent step away from the agency, you're marked for date. So if we tell you in a day to finish the job, me take my risk with Carlton.
So you are willing to stand between Miranda and Carlton? It's not a joke, Celine. This girl is out for blood.
Carlton was the only one that was here when I got shot. That he nursed me back to health. So I'm not gonna turn my back on him.
You know that this girl is very dangerous, right?
And you know that I'm a trained agent, right? I'll take my chances.
Okay. I can respect your wishes. I can swear you're not marked. You can come in whenever you're ready.